Well, hi everybody, this is Explorer 867. Today's the first day of the rest of your life, so get out and enjoy it. Today I've got an item I want to show you guys. It's called a Gobege air compressor. And so without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, to start with, the carrying case that it comes with is a heavy Cordura nylon material. So it protects the air compressor real well. So let's set this out here. Okay, here is the air compressor. Let's turn it this way. So let's look at the fit and finish here on this air compressor. Everything looks very well designed. It has looks to be powder coating on the black surfaces here, the orange surfaces here. All this is powder coated. This housing here on the end is plastic, but that's of no consequence here. It's not really in a situation where it's going to take a lot of abuse. The unit has a circuit breaker here and has a on-off switch here. The unit comes with the quick disconnect couplings, air couplings. Now these, from what I've gathered, these are actually a Australian design, and so they're different from the US fittings. But if you desire to change them out, you can just back these out. These are just threaded into the housing here, and you can replace those with US fittings and corresponding fittings on the hose. Underneath the cap here is an air filter, and so if you're in dusty conditions, which we are quite frequently, this dust filter will help protect that cylinder wall inside and the piston. And just every once in a while, pop the top off. Just take a screwdriver and stick it in here, and you can pop this cap off, and that filter sits right down inside here. So, let me get my notes here. So the air compressor is, its maximum pressure is 150 psi at 12 volts, 45 amps, or 580 watts. The output on this unit, the air output, is 160 liters per minute, or 6.35 cubic feet per minute. The unit itself, I weighed this myself. It weighed 15.8 pounds. This unit itself, not including the hose. The manufacturer says 16 pounds total. The dimensions are 13 inches long by 8 3/4 inches tall by 5 3/4 inches wide. The power cord here is looks to be about 12 gauge. I can't see any indications on it, but it looks to be about 12 gauge, and it is 8 feet long, and it comes with heavy-duty alligator clips, and they looks to be copper plated, and they've got a good protection on the outside of them here too, like a vinyl or rubber type material. So this is the hose, and it looks to be a reinforced. I can see reinforcing material in the hose, and it's a rubber hose, and it's cold out here today. We're probably right now, I'm going to say probably somewhere around 30, 34, 35 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's still very flexible, which is good. This has quick disconnects on it, so that you can easily, let me spin this around here, so you can easily just bring it up here to the unit and pull it back, pull the sleeve back and shove it on. That holds good. And to take it off, just pull the sleeve back and it's off, it's free. It comes with a quick couple chuck for your tire air valves. You just slide this over the air valve, push this down, and you're connected and you're ready to go. It also has an air pressure gauge on it, and I don't really depend on these. I have a real nice Rhino air pressure gauge that I'll double check this one with. And then also when I'm filling the tires on the truck up today, testing this unit, I'll also use the temperature gauge here and monitor the temperature of the cylinder and the handle here, the grab handle. It does have a good protective grab handle on it. One other thing I should point out on this unit, the motor has got a high temperature shutdown feature. So if it gets above 225 degrees Fahrenheit, this motor will shut down and protect itself. As of January 20th, 2023, these are $135 on Amazon. And today I'll be filling my 225/75 R16 BFG tires on the truck. I'm gonna air them down to 30 psi, which is what I usually run them at when I'm off-road, and I'll air them back up to highway pressure. On the front end of the Ford F-250, the highway pressure is 55 pounds, so I'll go from 30 to 55 pounds. We'll time that and see just how long it takes to do that. Okay, I'll take the Rhino air pressure gauge here and we'll check the air pressure on the tire here. Okay, still needs to come down a little bit. Okay, I'll hold this up here and hopefully you can see that. Let me see here. Yeah, see, so we're down at 30 psi. All right. Now this is that quick disconnect chuck I told you about. Just take it, push it on there, and then shove that down like that. Now, according to this, yeah, we're at 30 psi. So this is actually accurate here. And then this is the quick disconnect coupling here. We'll put that on. Okay, and I've got I don't know if you probably can't see it because of the light here right now, but I've got the cell phone set, and we'll time this to see how long it takes to fill this tire from 30 psi to 55 psi. Okay, so I'm going to monitor the temperature of the cylinder head here with this temperature gun here. So right now it's 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The handle is 62 degrees, the grab handle here. Okay, so now the temperature is 144 degrees. The grab handle is 70 degrees. Okay, I stopped it at 5:48, 5 minutes and 48 seconds. Let's go ahead and see what our air pressure is here. Okay, so we are at 53 pounds right now. So 53 pounds. So let's go ahead and we'll put it back on there and continue up to the 55 pounds. So we're temperature-wise right now, we're at 152 on the cylinder head. And the handle temperature is 72 degrees. Okay, I stopped it. We're at 6 minutes and 36 seconds. Let's see what we're at here. Okay, and we are at 55 pounds pressure. So it took us 6 minutes and 36 seconds. 6 minutes and 36 seconds to go from 30 pounds PSI to 55 pounds PSI in the 235/75 R16 BFGs. Well, this is Explorer 867. Thanks a lot for coming along on the video today. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and hit the all bell. When you ring the bell, hit the all bell, you get all the videos that I release on the channel. And get yourself a Gobege air compressor if you need one. These are definitely a real value, quality unit for the money. I don't represent things on my channel that I don't think will stand the test. I believe this is going to be a quality piece of gear for you. So anyhow, pick one of these up if you need an air compressor. They're on Amazon. I bought this myself. Amazon did not send it to me. Gobege didn't send it to me. I bought this myself, so this is a true test of the equipment. So anyway, as always, I look forward to seeing you in the great outdoors. You guys take care now. See ya.